Hey everyone! Welcome back to AI Code Cascade. I'm Dilawar Khan, and if you're new here, we help you build amazing projects using AI, completely free. In my last video, we deployed a to-do list app to GitHub using AI. Today, we're taking it to the next level. We're going to create a stunning portfolio website in just 10 minutes, and the best part, you don't need any coding experience. Your portfolio website powered by AI. Look at this beautiful portfolio website we're about to create. It features a professional hero section, smooth animations, a dark mode toggle, and it's fully mobile responsive. It has everything you need to impress potential employers or clients. And here's the secret. It's all powered by AI. By the end of this video, you'll have your own professional portfolio website running live. So let's dive right in. Step 1. The power of a well-defined prompt. First things first, and this is crucial, we need to create the perfect prompt. With AI, the quality of your output depends entirely on the quality of your input. A well-structured prompt is like giving detailed instructions to a professional developer. I've prepared this comprehensive prompt that asks for 3 separate files: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Notice how specific I am about features: responsive design, dark mode, contact forms, smooth animations, everything. This is why AI gives us such professional results. The more detailed your prompt, the better your website will be. Step 2. Accessing Claude AI. Now, let's head over to link to Claude AI. I'm already signed in, but if you're new, just click Continue with Google. It's completely free. Claude AI is incredibly powerful for coding projects. Unlike other AI tools, it gives us clean, organized code that actually works in real-world scenarios. Step 3. Submitting our prompt. Here we go. I'm pasting our carefully crafted prompt into a new chat. Let me review it once more. Perfect. This covers everything. 3 separate files, modern design, responsive layout, interactive features. Let's send this and watch the magic happen. Step 4. AI code generation in action. And there it is. Look at this. Claude AI is generating our complete portfolio website right before our eyes. See how it's creating 3 separate files exactly as we requested. This is the power of a well-defined prompt. Here's the HTML structure: semantic, clean, and SEO-friendly. The CSS includes modern features like Flexbox, animations, and our dark mode toggle. And the JavaScript handles all the interactive functionality. This is why prompting is so important. A generic request like, "Make me a website," would give us basic code. But our detailed prompt, it's giving us professional-grade code that would take hours to write manually. Step 5. Copying our generated code. Excellent. Our code is ready. Let me copy each file to my clipboard. First, the HTML file. This is our website structure. Then the CSS, all our beautiful styling and animations. Finally, the JavaScript, the interactive features that make our site come alive. Step 6. Setting up VS Code. Now let's open VS Code. If you don't have it installed, just download it from link to code.visualstudio.com. Step 7. Creating our files. Time to bring our code to life. I'm creating 3 files. First, index, HTML, pasting our HTML structure. Next, styles link to .css. Here goes our beautiful styling. Finally, script, JS, and our interactive JavaScript. Look at this code. It's clean, well commented, and professionally structured. This is the difference between AI generated code and hand-coded solutions. AI never gets tired and follows best practices consistently. Step 8. Installing Live Server. Now we need to see our website in action. I'm installing the Live Server extension in VS Code. This creates a local server so we can preview our website exactly as it would appear online. Perfect! It's generating our local server at link to localhost. Step 9. The big reveal. And here we go. Opening Chrome and wow! Look at this! This is absolutely stunning. Check out this professional hero section with smooth animations. The navigation is clean and responsive. Our About section looks fantastic with proper typography and spacing. The Skills section has beautiful progress bars. And look at this Projects section. It's like something you'd see on a professional developer's portfolio. Step 10. Full website testing. Let's test everything thoroughly. Header and navigation. Smooth scrolling between sections. Perfect. Hero section. The typing animation is working beautifully. About section. Professional layout with download resume button. Skills section. Animated progress bars that look incredible. Projects section. Multiple project cards with hover effects. Contact form. Clean, professional design with validation. Now, the moment of truth. Dark mode toggle. Amazing. Look at this smooth transition. The entire website transforms into a beautiful dark theme. This is professional level functionality. Finally, let's test mobile responsiveness. Perfect! The layout adapts beautifully. The mobile menu works flawlessly, all sections are properly stacked, and both light and dark modes work perfectly on mobile. Conclusion. And there you have it. In just 10 minutes, we've created a professional portfolio website that would normally take hours or even days to code manually. Remember, the secret is in the prompt. The more detailed and specific you are with AI, the better results you'll get. This portfolio website has everything you need: professional design, modern animations, dark mode, mobile responsiveness, and clean code structure. Call to action. If this video helped you create your dream portfolio website, smash that like button. Subscribe to AI Code Cascade for more AI-powered development tutorials. We're building the future of coding, one AI project at a time. And if you missed our previous video where we deployed a Todo app to GitHub using AI, check it out right here. Drop a comment below showing off your new portfolio website. I love seeing what you create. Until next time, keep coding with AI, and I'll see you in the next video.